Many people are shocked when their blood sugar spikes after eating foods they thought were healthy. You read the label. You chose the natural option. You avoided junk food, and yet your blood sugar still goes up higher than expected. In this video, we're going to talk about foods that can spike blood sugar even though they're often labeled as healthy. This is not about blame. It's about understanding how different foods affect glucose, so you can make calmer, smarter choices. Why healthy does not always mean blood sugar friendly. The word healthy is often used for marketing, but blood sugar doesn't respond to labels. It responds to how fast food digests how much sugar or refined carbohydrate it contains, whether protein or fiber is present. Some foods are healthy in one context but problematic for blood sugar, especially for people with insulin resistance or diabetes. Let's go through the most common examples. Food number 1. Fruit juice. Fruit juice is one of the biggest surprises for many people. Even though it comes from fruit, juice contains concentrated sugar without fiber. When fiber is removed, sugar enters the bloodstream very quickly. This often causes rapid glucose spikes, insulin surges, crashes shortly after. Better option: whole fruit in small portions, paired with protein or fat. Food number 2. Smoothies. Smoothies are often promoted as a healthy breakfast or snack, but many smoothies are made mostly from fruit, juice, or sweetened yogurt. Blending breaks down fiber and makes sugar easier to absorb, especially when protein is missing. Better option: protein-based smoothies with unsweetened milk alternatives, seeds, and small amounts of berries. Food number 3. Granola. Granola looks healthy and often contains oats, nuts, and seeds. But many granolas are sweetened with honey, syrups, or sugars. They are also calorie-dense and easy to overeat. For blood sugar, granola often behaves more like dessert than breakfast. Better option: plain oats in small portions with protein, or nuts and seeds without added sugars. Food number 4. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is often considered a better choice than white bread, and it can be. However, for blood sugar, even whole grain bread is still broken down into glucose quickly, especially in the morning. Many people see spikes even with 100% whole grain labels. Better option: smaller portions, eaten with protein and fat, or replacing bread with vegetables or eggs more often. Food number 5. Flavored yogurt. Yogurt is often recommended as a healthy food, but flavored yogurts frequently contain added sugars, even when labeled low-fat or natural. Low-fat versions tend to spike blood sugar more than full-fat ones. Better option: plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt with seeds or nuts. Food number 6. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is often seen as a natural snack, but drying fruit concentrates sugar and removes water, making it very easy to overconsume. A small handful of dried fruit can contain as much sugar as candy. Better option: fresh fruit in controlled portions, paired with protein or fat. Food number 7. Plant-based milks. Sweetened plant-based milks like almond, oat, or rice milk can be healthy, but many are sweetened. Sweetened versions can raise blood sugar quickly, especially oat milk and rice milk. Better option: unsweetened plant milks or plain dairy options if tolerated. Food number 8. Low-fat or fat-free foods. Many low-fat products remove fat but add sugar or starch to improve taste. Fat helps slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar. When fat is removed, glucose enters the bloodstream faster. Better option: full-fat, minimally processed foods in appropriate portions. Food number 9. Energy bars and health snack bars. Snack bars are often marketed as healthy, convenient fuel, but many contain added sugars, syrups, refined grains. They often spike blood sugar just like candy bars. Better option: whole foods like nuts, eggs, yogurt, or leftovers. Food number 10. Large portions of healthy carbs. Even healthy foods can spike blood sugar if portions are too large. Examples include large bowls of oatmeal, large servings of rice or quinoa. Excess fruit. Blood sugar cares about quantity, not just quality. Why these foods spike blood sugar? Most of these foods share common traits: high sugar or refined carbs, low protein, low fiber, fast digestion. Without protein and fiber, glucose enters the bloodstream quickly. The solution is balance. not restriction. How to eat these foods more safely. You don't have to avoid these foods forever. Instead, pair carbs with protein and fat. Watch portion sizes. Avoid liquid sugars. Choose whole, minimally processed versions. Blood sugar responds best to combinations, not single foods. Common mistake: cutting everything out. Many people react by eliminating entire food groups. This often leads to frustration and inconsistency. A better approach is awareness moderation, tracking your own response. Your blood sugar meter is your guide. Simple rules to remember if you remember nothing else. Remember this: liquid sugar spikes fast, protein slows digestion, fiber protects against spikes, portion size always matters. These rules apply to almost every meal. Final summary and takeaway. Let's summarize. Many foods labeled healthy can still spike blood sugar, especially when eaten alone, in large portions, or without protein and fiber. Fruit juice, smoothies, granola, whole grain bread, flavored yogurt, dried fruit, sweetened milks, and snack bars are common examples. This doesn't mean these foods are bad. It means they need to be eaten intentionally. Blood sugar control is not about perfection. It's about understanding how food affects your body.